Meet your new customer support champion, an AI chatbot seamlessly integrated into your website. It instantly addresses customer queries like software installation and troubleshooting with swift and precise responses, handling multiple conversations simultaneously, covering a range of topics such as licensing, product updates, and more. While the AI manages routine tasks, your human agents can focus on complex issues that need a personal touch, enhancing overall efficiency. The result? Happier customers, satisfied with quick and effective support any time of the day. Since implementing the AI chatbot, companies have seen improved satisfaction scores and significant cost reductions. Embrace the future of customer support today. Ready to transform your customer support with AI automation? Reach out to us at Shogunny Systems and let's get started. Elevate your customer experience with the power of AI.